do a video here. I come down, we went for just a little bit of a ride on the four-wheeler, and I had some targets set up down here, and it was just a piece of rebar and a golf ball sitting on top of it. I drilled out the top a little bit and set golf balls on there, and some people might think a little crazy, but it's actually from where I was shooting up at where we hunt out of, up over that hill. It's actually just about 300 yards down here, and some people might say, yeah right, you're doing that with a 22, whatever. Well, I don't care what you think, so go pound sand. But I left the golf balls, a couple of them, sitting down here, and I wanted to show you this. This is one spot you might have seen in my trapping videos, where I caught a fair amount of coyotes right here. It's kind of a funnel point down through, so I left them set up. You can see how I left them. A couple of them. There's actually one was sitting up here on this one, and one here that I left sitting, and I just let them like that. I was kind of thinking, I wonder what's going to happen if, the wind will knock them down or whatever. And so we come down through here. That's, I don't know, this has been sitting probably 3 weeks, something like that. And one of the golf balls, well, actually two of the golf balls, one that I had shot off, and another one, it's those two are gone. I don't know where they're at, but I'm actually thinking it was coyotes. And before somebody goes, yeah, whatever, they'll never do that, blah, 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 blah. Think about it. They're dogs. They play, pups play, whatever. But anyways, I found the one was laying right up in here, and the other one was laying actually down about, it was down in, I think I found it down in, right about in here. Mm-hmm. So the wind didn't blow a golf ball all the way down here, and I can pretty much tell you a deer or an elk didn't pick up a golf ball in its mouth and carry it down here. So it kind of leaves just coyotes. So I think sometimes one of the main reasons I was doing this video is I think sometimes is I think we overthink some of our stuff we do with our trapping. I mean, they're dogs. They play, even an old dog. I have a dog that's going on 13 years old, and every once in a while he gets a little playful in him, and he starts bouncing around playing with stuff and that. So even an older coyote could have been messing around with some younger ones, and they could have been playing around with it. So just think about that when you're making your sets. They're curious. It's I don't know, it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it's, if you look back over here at these golf balls sitting on top of a piece of rebar, okay, that's up about 16 inches off the ground, and that stands out big time to a coyote, or any predator. Even deer and an elk might look around at it and wonder what it is, and they might knock it off, smelling it and that, but it's not going to get carried away. you know. And I like I said, I looked around here, and I can't find the other two balls. I don't know what happened to them, but they're gone. So just keep that in mind. You know, they're curious animals. When you're making your sets, sometimes things that cause them to get a little curious about something. You know, I might have to try and work in some golf balls in my sets. I don't know. It's kind of crazy. But you never know. I mean, try stuff out. Try new stuff. That's one thing. And you know, you're always learning when you're trapping. Try new stuff. Try different stuff. Stuff that normally you wouldn't think of doing. Like golf balls on a rebar stake. You know, who knows? That might turn up some fur for you. So, yeah. Try something different this season. Try something really unusual that you might not ordinarily see, and give it a try. I mean, what's it gonna hurt? Really, what's it gonna hurt? Try something different. Okay, so you used a trap or maybe two traps at that set. I guess if you only have like 5 or 6 sets, you know, traps, why, yeah, you want to kind of watch, but I understand that if that's what you got. But if you got a fair amount of traps, give stuff like that a try. You might, I don't know, I'm gonna. You might be surprised. It was kind of an eye-opener for me. Come down here and see what is going on. I didn't know. I wondered what would happen, but yeah. So obviously something carried them off.
You have to put our trail cam down here.
Yeah. I should put a trail cam down here and kind of see.
Could be the elk playing polo.
Yeah. Definitely not water polo, but
no.
So yeah. So give something a try. I mean, just use your imagination and just try something. I mean, I know they make the what do they call them? Egg sticks or whatever. It's a little stick with a round top on it that has a hollow in it that you can put lure in. I know they make them, but try something on your own. You know, try something like that. I think I'm gonna try some of that this year.
Yeah, when you can't afford the fancy stuff, sometimes it's the simple stuff that works the best.
Yeah.
We're real good at improvising.
And like I said, I think sometimes we overthink things. We put too much. I mean, yeah, you gotta watch what you do. You know, how you make your sets and that they're solid and stuff like that. But sometimes I wonder if we don't overthink that they are, you know, basically like dogs, and they have a playful side to them. They have, even wolves, you know, they have a playful side to them. If you're trapping wolves, so try something different. You know, make them. Now wolves, I know, can tend to be a little more, you know, wary of stuff than a coyote, but you know, you gotta wonder sometimes. You know, what would happen if you took something like that or something different? You know, like
one of those kids' balls that they have in
balls.
the backyard, or I think of the boss's, the dog's toys.
Yeah, something,
you know?
something just stupid that you might not think of, and put it out there and see what happens. You never know. You might end up with a bunch of coyotes over it, just
or
because,
wolf. Yeah.
or a wolf, or several wolves. You know, just because you overthought stuff. So
It's August. Can you see where his mind is? This has been going on for weeks. It'll be a
Hey,
good season.
what can I say? If you're a trapper, you understand it.
Absolutely.
You never stop thinking about trapping. You just, it's in your blood, and you that's what you think about.
Yep.
I love, I love hunting. I really do love hunting. Man, I've been hunting ever since I was little. But I tell you what, for me, hunting and trapping's like right there. Yeah. So I'm always thinking about trapping. But so anyways, give something new a try this season. See what happens. You might be surprised. So, well, guys, take care. God bless, and we'll catch you later. Have a good one.
I'll see you on the trap line.
Yeah.